In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to Wayfair, including images, UPC, and compliance details. Whether you're new to Wayfair or looking to make your product management process smoother, this guide will take you through each step clearly and easily. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Wayfair Partner Home account. This is your command center for managing your product listings, so make sure that your login credentials are ready. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, especially if it's been a while since you last visited. This will help you navigate more efficiently as we go through the following steps. Next, it's time to enter the product information. This is where you'll provide all the crucial details that your customers will need to know. You'll start with the basics, like the product name, description, and category. It's important to be as descriptive as possible to make your product stand out and ensure customers can find it easily. Carefully crafted descriptions and accurate categorization are key to improving searchability and sales. Now, we move on to adding your product's GTIN, UPC, or EN. These codes are essential as they help uniquely identify your product, ensuring it is distinguishable from others in the marketplace. Have these codes prepared before you start, and remember, accuracy is important here as any mistakes can lead to issues further down the line. Next up is uploading your images, which play a crucial role in how your product is perceived. Make sure your images are high quality and that they showcase your product from different angles, giving potential buyers a comprehensive understanding of what you're offering. Good lighting and a clean background can make a significant difference. After images, you'll add compliance information if it's necessary for your products. Compliance requirements might include safety standards, certifications, or other legal data. Ensure your product meets all compliance requirements to avoid legal issues and to maintain trust with your customers. Setting pricing and inventory comes next. Make sure you set a competitive price that reflects the quality and market demand for your product. Keeping your inventory information up to date is also crucial. This helps to avoid situations where you can't fulfill customer orders because of an inaccurate stock count. Finally, review and submit. Before hitting the final submit button, go over all the information you've entered one more time. Check for any typos or missing details and make sure everything looks just right. When you're sure everything is accurate, go ahead and submit your product for listing. Adding products to Wayfair can feel overwhelming at first, but by following these steps, you'll have your items listed and ready to reach customers in no time. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips on managing your online